Hi, it's Brett here at the Milwaukee Art Museum. We're going to be making an expressive line drawing inspired by the artwork of Rashid Johnson and other artists in the museum's collection.
Our faces can express or communicate many different emotions. What emotions do you see in these faces?
Individual parts of an artwork, like lines and colors, can also show emotion.
Imagine how the artist's hand moved while making these marks. What words can you find to describe those movements? Can those words also be used to describe feelings? Quick and frantic, smooth and relaxed, energetic and excited, tight and agitated, or resolved and calm.
Now, back to Rashid Johnson's artwork. This is a piece called Untitled Anxious Audience.
What does anxious mean? It means feeling uneasy, worried, or nervous. The wide eyes and clenched teeth of these faces look anxious to me. The way that they're drawn adds to that feeling. Lines are scratched into black wax and soap mixture. Overlapping lines make up features like eyes, teeth, and mouths. They look like they're worried or excited and trembling. In some areas, wax soap mixture is splattered on the tile background. Art can be a great way to express yourself. Let's try it using expressive marks and color to draw faces. Start with different sized sheets of paper. Or you can take one sheet of paper and cut or tear it down into smaller sheets. Imagine some different feelings you are feeling right now and write them down. Do you have any strong feelings on your list? For these feelings, choose a big sheet of paper. Some feelings may seem smaller or more mild. For those feelings, use a smaller sheet of paper. For example, I'm feeling really happy that I get to share an art project with you. I'll use one large sheet of paper with a yellow crayon to draw a smiley face. Yellow is a happy color to me. It reminds me of sunshine. Yellow may remind you of different feelings, and that is okay. I'm going to use my whole arm to make big, bold lines to show you how I'm feeling. I'm also feeling a little anxious because I don't know how you will feel about making this project with me. I'm a little scared that you won't like it. I'm hopeful that you will give it a try though. I will choose orange for anxiety, red for fear, and blue for hope. I will use smaller sheets of paper since those feelings aren't as strong. To me, orange is like fire. It's hard to tell what it will do and if it will be warm and cozy or hot and dangerous. My anxious face will take inspiration from Rashid Johnson's with many swirling, scratchy lines, wide eyes, and clenched teeth. When I feel scared, I want to hide, so I will make that face small and tucked into the corner of my paper. Red reminds me of stop signs. It tells me that I should be aware of danger, and that can be scary if you don't pay attention. Blue is hopeful to me because, well, I don't really know. You don't have to have reasons behind the colors you choose. You are the artist, and it's up to you. When I'm finished, I will combine these 4 drawings into one work of art. Since all the papers have straight edges, they should fit together nicely like the tiles of Rashid Johnson's piece. I will use pieces of tape on the back of my drawings to put them together. I can also experiment with adding more lines and faces that overlap the individual papers if I like. My happy and hopeful faces can hang out with my anxious and scared faces. They may even help them feel better about being anxious and scared. Making art is special in that it allows us to express ourselves and our feelings in unique ways. Did you make the project today? We'd love to see your creative expressions.